So Sean is an AI-powered advertising platform that automates the creation and management of ad campaign across major platforms. So using Sean, you can create cross-channel campaigns with advanced automation in just a few minutes. Just choose your advertising goal, and the platform will guide you through the process of creating an optimized campaign that actually achieves results. So you also will be able to create conversion based on custom events and sign them across all channel thanks to the Sean pixel. So plus you can track which channels are driving the best result for your business across 5 major platforms like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So it also lets you use AI to write high converting ad copy, so you can better write a blog and pump out marketing content across all your channels. So we will see all of this. Before we go into that, I want to show you that they are launching an Appsumo deal, and that means you get a lifetime deal, lifetime access this tool for just $49, and it has license tier to cost you $109. So if I scroll down a little bit, as you can see, it has license tier 2. First license tier 1 cost you $49. You can get 5 campaign, 5 customer list, 5 product list, 25 creatives. And if you go for license tier 2, you can create 20 campaign, 20 customer list, 20 product list, 75 creatives. Okay, so let's see the dashboard. Okay, so we are in now dashboard. So I already created a brand awareness campaign, so I will show you with the new campaign. So this is the dashboard. If you see, you can add balance. Here is, you can see notification settings. Okay, you can also business assets, you can upload from here. And now I just show you how you can create a campaign. So first of all, you can create a new campaign, or you can import campaign from any other ad platform like Google, Microsoft, or Facebook. So I just click new here. Okay, so first of all, advertising goal. So you are in this campaign will be optimized towards the selected goal. So select a goal. So I select website type. So you can select any of this, but I go for website traffic. And you need to select the website URL you would like to advertise. So you can select your main website or custom landing page that you want to promote. Okay, so now give a campaign name. So let's give this name, let's see, affiliate. Okay, now click next step, and as you can see, now you need to select city, okay, or country. So I go for USA, and again you can select any city you want. Okay, and you also select multiple cities from here. So I go for only USA, and then here, as you can see, language, and I go for English and go to next step. So as you can see, you can select one platform, or you can select multiple platform. I select Google Ads, and Microsoft Ads, and Facebook Ads. Okay, so I go for it. Okay, Sean affiliate, as you can see, it created ad preview here. And add account, start by selecting how you can pay your advertising budget. So your Sean account, click here. So you just now need to create ad template, then you need to give a campaign budget. So you need to select keyword and list of optimized keyword, then you can save it and publish your campaign. So first of all, we need to add template. Okay, click here. So first of all, describe your business and value proposition. That will preview show you what potential customers see. Okay, so let's see. Start. Affiliate marketing. Okay, so you can generate AI content also. You can generate another, refresh it. Okay, just click here. So as you can see, it generate other languages. So start affiliate network. Okay, and you can change all of this ad copy, and you can generate your ad copy with AI, and you need to add description. Okay, so go for any of sign up our affiliate. Okay, so you can remove anything that you don't want, and campaign website. So then need to save it here. Okay, it is complete now, campaign budget, so you can edit campaign budget. So USD $15 a day. Okay, I go for $15 save, and give keyword session. So let's affiliate network, affiliate campaign. So generate here. So it is analyzing business and generate keyword for our this campaign. So as you can see, it give us some keyword. You can select here from yes, 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 and go for next. Okay, yes, yes, yes. So you can select uh, anything you want. So I just go for next. So approve list. So as you can see, I give them some keyword. So here is an exclusive list of queries related to my business. Okay, I'll select it. Okay, now you can need to save it here. So you are all done. So you'll be charged 7 days of daily budget. Okay, $350. So you can ask for refund any moment. So let's click publish campaign. So before publish campaign, you need to add your valid payment link. So in there you can publish all of the ad platform without any account. So this is a very good, because you don't need to go and create an account. So it take a lot of time. So with this you can create only 5 minutes. I just create all the affiliate campaign with just 5 minutes. So then you also can see the analytics from here. Okay, so here is going to say draft. So after you create a campaign, give them payment, and after showing ad, you can see that they give you analytics, and you see that how you can improve. Okay, so that is for you guys in today's video. If you like this tool, you can buy lifetime deal just $49. So thank you so much for watching this video.